following the footsteps of your mom and brother. How did they react when you told them that you want to join showbiz too? And what advice or reminders did they give you? Kanina during contract signing, medyo nakakarinig kami ng matinding pilitan. More on your kuya. So, kwentuhan mo naman kami, Lela.
Yes, of course, they were happy naman po and proud naman sila. But, yeah, sila mama, sila kuya, pinagsabihan lang din ako na hindi daw po talaga madali pumasok here sa showbiz. So, if gusto ko daw po talaga, I really need to put 100% effort, energy, and dapat gusto ko po talaga. And yeah, si kuya po kasi very protective. And since naranasan na niya po dito lahat, so wina-warningan lang niya din po ako in some way. And yeah, yes.
So, nag-yes ba siya agad? O pinilit mo talaga si
Pinilit
kuya?
ko po talaga si kuya. Actually, si mama din, tinatry din niya po pilitan si kuya. Kasi, yeah, very strict din.
Gaano katagal nangyari itong pilitan? Tsaka paano mo siya na-convince?
2 years na po ata, since yung first ever ABS-CBN Star Magic Games ko pa po. From there, pinipilit ko na po si kuya. Then now, nawalan na siya ng choice kasi nag-18 na. Yeah, but okay naman po now. He's very proud. I think he's watching. Hi, kuya.
Yay! Thank you po sa pagpayag, Mr. Daniel Padilla. So, yun pala yung nagpapayag sa kanya, yung age. Kasi wala na siya magawa, 18 ka na. Okay, ngayon naman, itong question ay mula kay Daniel, hindi Padilla, Daniel Villapando of Star Express. And I will read the question. This is for Angelina. Your mom, Sunshine Cruz, has balanced a successful career with raising 3 daughters.
Honestly, she inspired me to work hard and that juggling two things is possible. She was able to juggle both being a mother and being a career woman. So I was inspired to, at first, juggle yung career ko as an endorser, as a singer, and being a student. And so she really inspired me to also graduate. So I'm able to fully prioritize yung career ko.
Uy, congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin. Kaka-graduate lang din ni Angelina. What was your course again?
Marketing management.
Marketing management. Yes, congratulations.
Thank you.
And now this question is for Christoph. Growing up with parents like Ms. Gladys Reyes and Mr. Christopher Rojas, how have they influenced your approach to music and showbiz?
Again, another really good question, no? Growing up with parents like Miss Gladys Reyes and Sir Christopher Rojas, I would have to say they influenced my approach in music and showbiz in many ways. Unang-una, Dad was a big influence growing up, especially when it came to my musical taste and music dynamic. He introduced me to playing guitar. And I cannot be any more thankful sa kanya for doing that kasi talaga doon nagsimula lahat for me. It opened so many doors for me and I cannot be any more grateful for it, no. And of course, mom is the more showbiz of them too. So she already lectures me on a lot in terms of presenting myself and everything under the sun, no. I would have to say the way they influenced my music. It's let's just say there's a lot of yung rock, the rock element nanggaling yun kay Dad, and the way how I like to deliver myself in stage and how I like to connect with an audience nanggaling yun kay Mom for sure. And I would have to say, without the two of them, there would definitely be no musician in their family.
Very musical na ang family niyo. Nakikita ko yung mga posts yung minsan may mga karaoke sessions kayo and all, di ba? Pero let's talk about your rock background. Kasi hindi lahat ng kabataan ngayon, hindi marami yung naging interesado na sa rock. But ikaw, isa ka sa mga representatives ng mga tataas ng bandera ng rock lovers. Sino-sino yung mga artists na nag-influence sa'yo?
Well, ako, actually, I'm more into, the Beatles.
Ooh.
I also like Queen. You know, the typical na sasabihin nila, pamatanda na yan and all that. Pero if you really listen to their music, you can really take a lot from it. May mga elements na ginagamit nila na hindi na nila masyadong ginagamit ngayon. The way they deliver these certain feelings through words, you can also take it as a lesson and apply it to your own craft, which is so beautiful, no? And I really do appreciate when that happens, especially in today's musical scene. Ang daming mga talented artists out there, and yeah, mabuhay lang ang OPM.
Yes, rock on. OPM, let's go. And ito naman, next question. In 2022, you mentioned you were still deciding if showbiz was your thing. What made you ultimately choose music as your path? And are there any acting offers you're still considering?
It's been a long dilemma for me, no? Because until now, I'm still studying. I'm about to graduate as well. I'm a third year in UP Diliman.
Ano nga yung course? Hotel?
I'm taking hotel and restaurant management.
There you go.
Yes, there we go. So, ayun. So it's been a very long dilemma for me. Never really jumped into it as an idea. Now, okay, I'm going to start now. I'm also that type of guy na, you know, pag dumaan yung oportunidad, kunin mo na, right? Kasi biyaya yun ng Diyos, and bihira lang dadaan yun. So, yeah, this is me. I'm jumping into it fully, no? And I'm incredibly excited. And I definitely would have to say that acting is definitely there as an option. I'm not shying away from that. Any doors that open, I welcome it, embrace it in my arms, and do the most I can.
Aabangan namin yan. Thank you so much, Christoph. And now for Inigo Jose. Inigo, what's it like growing up with your dad, James Blanco, who's